Hello, hello, my lovely people. We are continuing with the lesson. Today we are going to look at the correct pronunciation of the following words. Now, the first word, you can say you over there. But when you want to pronounce it, the you over there will sound, the sound of the you will be ah. The sound of the you will be ah. So you pronounce this word customer, customer, customer. Number two, the you over here too is ah. The you over here too is ah. So when you want to pronounce it, you say plumber, plumber. Now, the B over here too is silent, so we don't pronounce it. That's why we are pronouncing it plumber. Go and call my plumber for me. Number three is public, public, public. We don't say public. The correct pronunciation is public. Number four is succumb, succumb. The second U over here is ah, but the first one is so you say succumb, 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 not succumb or succumb. Thank you very much. Let us try our best and know the correct pronunciation of the following words. Thank you very much. Some other time. Bye-bye for now. Bye.